Hey guys, so International Friendship Day is coming up, and to show my friends how thankful I am to have them in my life, I will show you how I made one of their cards. Now, to save time, I have pre-cut all my pieces and made all the necessary bits to it. But you can find all my tutorials on how I made all these embellishments on either my blog or in my other previous videos. So let's get crafting. This card is for one of my best friends. I chose to make a coffee and sweet theme because it's her favorite. For this card, I've already prepared everything off screen to save time. The envelope that I use can be downloaded off my blog, and all the die sets that I use to cut out the bow and the heart shaker pop will be linked in the description below. The card base measurements is 5.5 by 7 inches and the coffee paper front is 5 by 6.5 inches. I assembled my gold bow first by using double-sided tape to adhere all pieces together. I added a sequin mix to my shaker heart base. I also added some microbeads to it. Then I did adhere the top and everything together using double-sided tape. Now you can use a variety of adhesive, but I chose this way because I didn't have the patience to wait for it to dry. I then added double-sided tape to stick the wooden stick on as well. But as I said, if you have hot glue gun or any other glue, that can be an option. I then used clear white ribbon and made a bow. I did safely burn the edges so that the ribbon won't fray. The mini envelope was simple. I cut the envelope out on cupcake printed paper and contrasted with the peachy color for the insert. I then glued everything together to form my envelope. This envelope can be downloaded off my blog. It will be the 8x10 pocket envelope, so simply head over there and download it. Now, the fun part and how the card comes together. To stick my coffee paper piece on the front base, I used my tape runner. Then I carefully placed it on top, leaving a border around all edges. Added the envelope on an angle. Using foam tape, I stuck my heart shaker pop on top of my envelope. I then add my sentiment, "I love you" to pieces on the card. I did move it around a lot to see the best place to put it. I then added some cutout hearts to the card, adhering it onto foam tape to give it some dimension. For the inside of the card, I used a coffee stamp set I stamped the frappe cup with the donut. I did not colour this and just left it as it is. I then used the best friend sentiment from another friend's die set and just hand drew in the heart and border. For my envelope, I handmade mine. I will show how I make my envelopes on my blog with all the measurements. Otherwise, you can always buy an envelope punch board and make them from that. To keep the theme, I did stamp a frappe cup along with the two girls and then coloured them in. I also did add some glossy accent to my frappe cup to just make it pop a little. And now the card is done and all ready to be mailed out for Friendship Day. I hope that you will take your time and send out a note or card to your friends to show them that you appreciate and value their love and friendship. But until then, keep crafting and stay positive.